Hi everyone, welcome to Gunpla. We're here for another unboxing and we're gonna unbox the RMS-117 Galbaldy Beta. This is the Earth Federation Space Forces mass-produced mobile suit unit, and it's an upgrade from the Galbaldy Alpha, which is the mobile suit used by the Xeon forces. So aside from the EFSF, this model unit, the Galbaldy Beta, is also piloted by the Titans and some of the Neo Zeons. As you can see from the box art, the design for the Galbaldy has the unique feel and look of the Mono Eye that the Xeon are known of. Again, this is a derivative from the Galbaldy Alpha that was mass produced by the Xeon. As you can see, this is the box art. You can see they're in space with a shield and a beam rifle there. And this model suit kit, or this kit, was released in 2018, June 2018 to be exact, and it's a 1/144 model kit. Let's see the side. The side artwork. This is the front and rear view of the Galbaldy Beta, and then the actions. It's indicated here. It says that the iconic details around the neck have been recreated, as well as some additional motion and various gimmicks are added. If you can see, there's three poses here. The one using the beam rifle and shield, and then the other one is using the beam saber and the shield. This part has a closer look on the gimmicks. The shoulder saber rack has been recreated, and some additional articulation gimmick in the shoulder and front arm matches the form of the mobile suit. So for the weapons, we have a beam rifle, a shield, and two beam sabers. So this is the other side, which is the same as the box cover. And this side, it's a nice image of the Galbaldy and a short description about the Galbaldy. So if you want to pause it, you could just pause it and try to read it. Here are the warnings and legal stuff. So it says here that it's about 1500 yen, but at the time of this video, the Galbaldy model kit is just actually around 1400 yen. So another box art from this side, and you can see this is a teal color, which indicate that this model unit or the mobile suit came from the Gundam Zeta anime series. If any one of you are wondering, the size of the box is actually 30 centimeter in length, 19 centimeter in height, and 7 centimeter deep. So if you're wondering, if you're trying to buy this and you're worried about the shipping for the sizes, so those are the sizes. And we'll see what's inside of the box. We have the bag number 1. We're going to open this in a little bit to see what's inside. Here is the second bag. The third bag. And lastly, this is the fourth bag. Here is the manual. So we're gonna open this later. And we have here an assembly instruction. So actually, this is the first time I've seen one of these. It's pretty much the same thing as the one that you see from the manual. So all the icons and instruction here, how to cut a knob mark, and I think this is how to apply water decals or water slide decals. That's pretty neat. So let's see what's inside the box. Let's start with the manual. So in front of the manual, you could actually see the actual look of the model kit. And when you open it, you have two poses, images here, or sample poses. This is actually nice because it's not the same as the usual manual, because the size of these images is fairly big compared to the usual manual. Then a colored instruction, and then on the other side you actually have the warnings as well as the runner list. And then the building instruction. So you have the building instruction here. The building instruction is not that complicated. You can actually notice that this building instruction is really quick. Probably that's the reason why they could actually put these images here. And then at the back you have the action, another pose here, posing, the rear view of the mobile kit or the model kit, as well as the weapons and gimmicks. And then the story or short description regarding the mobile suit, which is the same as the one on the side of the box. And then we have the color guide if you want to repaint the model kit to be more accurate. So this is the color guide. I'm gonna actually zoom it, and then you could pause it if you want that information. So again, this is the manual. Really nice. So here are the runners. Let's begin with runner A. We have 3 runner A. So this is runner A1. You have the maroon color here and the pink color here. So we have the skirt armor as well as the torso. I guess this is part of the hips. Here is the A2. So we still have the darker or the maroon color here. I guess these are the one for the legs. And then we have the gray color here, or lighter military gray. This is the feet, as well as probably this one is the hips. Then this is the runner A3. So it's in the darker, or again, maroon color. This is the body or the torso. This is runner B. We have the feet armor or leg armor here, as well as the, probably these are the one for the arms. And you also have the head here. And the continuation of the B runners, this is B2. So I guess it's a duplicate because you have the one for the arms here, the armor. Then we have here the C1. So we have 2 C runners. This is C1. So you have the joints and the weapons, as well as, I guess this is the collar. as you can see the detail here for the collar, and those are the piping for the collar too, and it's in the military gray, lighter gray color. It looks good. And then we have the C2 runner, so it's a continuation of that C1 runner. I guess it's a duplicate. If it, yeah, it's a duplicate of the C1 runner. I guess this is the one for the feet. We have the D1 runner. So this is the military green color. So this is the shield, part of the shield. We have the polycaps. So pretty straightforward polycaps. Looks good. Then the SB or saber, beam saber. This is a cool looking saber. It's actually in yellow green color, so it's unlike the usual pink sabers. And then we have the sticker. So we only have 3 stickers. I guess one is the mono eye, and the other one is the sights on the rifle, and the yellow one is the one for the shield. I really like model kit with few stickers. I don't know why, but it looks good if it's well color separated. So that's the unboxing of the high grade universal century number 212, the RMS-117 Galbaldy beta. This is a fairly quick build. As you can see, we only have a few runners as well as a few stickers, and it's gonna be a quick build, so I'm really excited to build this one. This model kit is a little different because I'm gonna use this as my entry for the Great Canadian Buildoff Part 2. So if you can stay tuned, I'm gonna do a progress video for that one. I'm gonna do a quick build as well as the custom build for this Galbaldy. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button, and turn on your notifications so you get notified every time I release a video like this. I would really appreciate if you do that, and again, thank you for watching.